What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Bonfida, which has pumped up slightly over the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is up just about 26% and currently trading at just below 58 cents, guys. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. A lot of people have been asking me, should I buy right now? Should I sell it? Is it too late, or should I just hold on to it? So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at its next target. Is it time to buy, sell or hold, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go, and is it even worth investing into Bonfida in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.1% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And yes, guys, we do have Bonfida as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 2%, over the last day 26%, over the week 28%, and over the month just about 33%. As you can see, for most of the month, it was a very slow and steady increase in value, all up until earlier today, where it did go for a major increase in value. So we're going to be going through, why did it happen? Is it likely to drop back down straight away, or is it likely to keep pumping up over the coming days? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $59 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase, as a lot of people are looking into the project. Obviously is one of the top gainers. It's gained so much value. People are researching into it, investing into it, and others are also selling it and taking out their profits. So hence why the trading volume has gone up majorly, and it's likely to go up even higher over the coming hours, as more and more people will start to trade it after its pump that took place earlier this evening. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonfida, which is here in purple at 46 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at 58 cents nearly, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have two lines going the opposite direction to each other. As you can see, the orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the bearish direction, guys. So essentially both the lines are going in opposite direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Bonfida to go for a slight drop in value, potentially trading around 54 to 55 cents in target is what I'm expecting by midday tomorrow. So again, it's going to be minimal increases and decreases. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side, but again, nothing major is expected. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, very steep, guys, meaning once again it is not realistic. Whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either in a negative or positive direction, it's not realistic. It's only basing it off the last couple of hours. As you can see, it's pumped up so much, the graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. What I am expecting over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, is an overall drop in value from Bonfida. So dropping down to about 50 to 52 cents is what I'm expecting Bonfida to be trading at by mid next week. However, again, guys, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to see green days when it's going to pump, red days when it's going to drop, up and down. But the overall outcome, just like the 30-minute chart, it seems to be more on the negative side. Now Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, we're looking much more bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, and in this case they're not looking as steep, meaning is much more realistic. So let's say by mid to late April 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Bonfida, potentially trading around 80 to 85 cents is what I'm expecting. Again, it may not seem like a major increase, but the way it's been performing since the start of the year hasn't been too great compared to most cryptos out there. As you guys know, most cryptos have pumped up quite a bit since the start of the year. However, Bonfida hasn't done that much increase or movements in value. So again, we're going to have to keep it realistic. Bonfida hitting about 80 to 85 cents should be good by mid to late April. However, if they do go for a major partnership or a major, collaboration that can have a potential positive or negative impact on its value, then I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. But yeah, so far so good for the long term. However, for those of you guys who are looking to get into Bonfida right now after its pump, personally, I wouldn't go into it, only because I am expecting it to drop back down in value. But again, that doesn't mean that you should not invest or you should invest. It's entirely up to you what you guys want to do. I'm just here to give you guys my prediction and my take on this crypto. And for those of you wondering, no, I haven't invested into Bonfida and I won't be investing into it. Again, no specific reason. I'm not saying it's a bad crypto to invest into, but personally, I'm not into it. I have invested into a lot of other cryptos, but yeah, Bonfida isn't one for me anyway. But again, if you're interested into it, go for it. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Bonfida, guys. What I want you guys to do in the comment section down below, let me know, how soon do you guys expect this crypto to hit the $1 mark? That is the most commonly asked question when it comes to this specific crypto, guys. $1, I would say potential with the next 4 to 5 months. So let's say by mid-year, I'm expecting Bonfida to be hitting the $1 mark. Again, it could be way sooner than that or way later than that, depending on how the crypto market in general performs. But at the moment, mid-year is when I'm expecting Bonfida to be hitting the $1 mark. So comment down below when you guys are expecting this. Is it over the coming weeks, months, or even in the coming years? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.